Between Kapitan De Castro and Police Major Neil Espa. First ball possession. Now Gio, 2 points again. Dimber. Kapitan Marga. Yes, 2 points. Onsial, Mother. Nagawan, pass break to SK Ramirez. Pass to Kapitan De Castro. Naglang naman. To Vice Mayor. Medyo kapitin naman din. Rebound kaya ng ABC. Kapitan Maya, kick pass. Number 23, no good. Reverse. Oy, ganyan. 2 points on Kapitan Maya. Second to play. Konsyal Licha fires no good. Pass break play. Lays it up. Yes. 6-2 ang ating official score. Kapitan, no good. Oy! Kapitan Ronnie to SK Ramirez, fires on 3. Short na konti. Bull back kay Kapitan De Castro. Too strong. Kapitan Michael. Oy! Fired by Aaron Consihal. 5 to shoot. Tumama na sa ring. Yes, 2 points. Inside pass. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound goes to ABC again. No good. Opo. Jose Joey. Yes, 2 points. Kapitan Nico. Kapitan De Castro. Muntik pang mawala. Back to Kapitan Nico. Kapitan De Castro. Short! Nagmamatinig ngayon. Yes! 2 points! Kapitan Michael, no good. Bukal Eric. Nagmamatinig ngayon. Looking for his teammates. Bukal Eric. Nakita si Vice. Hey! Medyo malakas na na. But here goes Vice Mayor. No good. Medyo kulang sa vitamins. Kapitan Michael! Looking for his teammate. Nakita si Mayor. Mayor gets the ball. Tumira na Magya. No good. Rebound na kayo ng ating ABC. Deflected. Pass to Kapitan Michael. Sunshine using the glass for 2. Pass to Mayor. Mayor fires on the mid-range. Not this time. Rebound by Neil. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound goes to Kapitan Michael. Pass break player. On Kapitan Pitel. Medyo malakas. SK Ramirez. Yes, 2 points. Consihal Joey. Sending the play. To Mayor Yobi. Pinaisod. Wow, okay. Kapitan Michael, pass break play to SK Ramirez. Lays it up, no good. Rebound by Consihal Joey to Attorney Ron. Attorney Ron lays it up. Yes, 2 points. Inside pass, kick out. Kapitan Pitel again, good. Intercepted by Zamir. To Mayor Yobi. Nag-iisang ikaw. Yes, 2 points on Mayor. SK Ramirez. Pass to Kapitan Pitel. Back to SK. Fires on 3. Short. Rebound by another pass. Ay! Sayang naman. Kapitan Pitel. Inside. Intercepted, deflected. Consihal Joey. Set shot. No good. Rebound on Kapitan Ronnie. To SK Ramirez. to Cap Michael. Stop and pop. Yes, 2 points. So, Marcel Galicia, no good, not this time. To Cap Michael. Passes to Esme Ramirez. Yes, 2 points. Marcel Sani. Pass to Marcel Joey. To Vice Mayor. Yes! What the passport? Number 23, Kapitan Ronnie Nugget. Kapitan Fidel loses the handle but recovers. To Kapitan Ronnie, to Kapitan Michael Nugget. Rebound by Attorney Ron Garcia. For Joey Oy! Mio Yama! Abitin ang Martes, ang Bill. Talagang may trick shot para din yan si Yu. Marcel Sani fires on 3! Bang! 1 minute and 35 seconds on the game clock. Kapitan Michael fires. Nugget. Rebound goes to Esme Ramirez. To Kapitan Ronnie. Oy! Putik ng tabla ka na kape. Oy! Nahuli. Itirang muli. Marcel Sani not this time. Oy! Putik pa mahuli. Now with Marcel Sani. Attorney Ron. Set. Marcel Joey using his moves. Attorney Ron. Yes! 2 points. Kapitan Fidel sending the play. Inside lane. Nugget. Rebound ngayon ng Cameron. Pass break to Marcel Sani. Kinaliwa. Nugget. Kapitan Michael. Kapitan Fidel. Fakes. Fires. 2 points. Marcel Joey. Inside. Oy. Ang ganda naman ang pasahan. Nugget nga na. Rebound by Kapitan Sarmiento. 8 seconds. 7. 5 seconds. Ramos sets the play to Kapitan Number. Using his move. Deflected. Kay Kapitan Number ngayon. Bola. Kanina na punta. Yes! 2 points. Kapitan Marcel Alvin. Short. Rebound. Here goes ABC. Kapitan Michael. To Kapitan Timet. Kapitan Number. Using his skill. Oy! Medyo madulas. Santino. Pass break na ito kay Marcel Aguado. Reverse. Yes! 2 points. Kapitan Timet Ramos sending the play. Looking for his teammate. Finds but steal. Sergino to Marcel Aguado. Lays it up. Yes! 2 points. Dan Michael sending the play. Pass to Kapitan Timet Ramos. Kapitan Timet. Deflected. Here goes Sergio. Nagpapadala yan. Marcel Aguado. Ay! Anong nangyari? Medyo nahilo yata si Lucian. Kapitan Number. Nakagawan! Nakagawan ni Marcel Alvin. Looking for his teammate, Sergino. Pass break. On Mr. Galante. Lays it up. Yes! 2 points. Kapitan Number. Making his move. Pass to Kapitan Edwin Sarmiento. To Kapitan Timet Ramos. 9 seconds to shoot. Kapitan Michael. Tinirang bagay ang Nugget. Rebound. Oy! Basket is good. Sarguano. Marcel Alvin. Short. Rebound by Kapitan Vasquez. Kapitan Michael. Pass break to Kapitan Edwin. Kapitan Edwin making his move. Kick out pass. Inside. No good. Rebound. Kanina na punta. Oh, yun. Bola na. Shoot. Oh, kanina na punta mo. Back to Consel Libet. Consel Joas. Kick out pass. Deserve natin. No good. Rebound. Kanina na punta. ABC. Nagpapatuloy kayo. Consel Castro. But there's a foul by LCU. Surprise. Setting the play. To Esteban. Fires a three. No good. Rebound by Kapitan Number. Kapitan Number. Setting the play. Using his skills. 13 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Inside pass, Kapitan. Yes, 2 points. Consel Joas setting the play. To Consel Aguado. Lays it up. No good. Rebound niya ng ABC. Kapitan ng ball. Kapitan ng ball setting the play. Inside pass to Kapitan Michael. Yes, 2 points. Consel Joas to Sir Brian, setting the play. Consel Joas to Sir Chino. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Tumira pa yan. No good. Kapitan Vasquez. Inagawa na yun. Sir Vilante. Lays it up. No good. Putback is good. 4 minutes and 25 seconds on second period. Kapitan Number, 14 on the shot clock. Wow. Kapitan Number, 9 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tumira na. No good. Kanina ulit. No good again. Kanina pa rin. Yes! Tumira kasi yan. No good. Kapitan Peter. Nagmamadali. Inside. Kick out pass. Na-intercept ngayon ni Atty. Ron. Atty. Ron. Pass sa gilid. No good. Ayun napot ng bola. Sa kanila pa rin. Sa LGU pa rin. Deflected by SK Ramirez. Sir Neil. Yes. 2 points. Setting the play. Lumapit ang Peter. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. SK Ramirez fires. No good. Rebound. Goes to LGU. Pastor Eric. Pasa sa gilid. Number 30. No good. Kapitan Michael. Tumira ang dress. No good. Rebound. Goes to LGU. So, Pastor Eric. Fast break play. Atty. Ron. Lays it up for 2. Kapitan Peter. Lumapit na bahagya. Using glass. No good. Magic. Setting the play. To Sir Neil. Inside. Lays it up. No good. Oy. May tulak sa ring Ron. Inside. No good. Medyo kupos. Pero kanila pa rin ang bola. Rebound by Kapitan Michael. Here goes ABC. Inside. Pinoy step. There's a isa na ang kalabangan ng LGU. Bukaleri to Magic. Fires on 3. No good. Pass break play. SK Ramirez. Lays it up. No good. Kapitan Pitel. No good pa rin. Atty. Ron fires. No good. Rebound by Kapitan Michael. Here goes ABC. Kapitan Michael setting the play. Pass to Kapitan Peter. Fakes. Inside. Lays it up. No good. Rebound by Pastor Eric. To Atty. Ron. 15 on the shot clock. 43 seconds on the game clock. Kapitan Pitel. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Mamasaring. Rebound by Kosiang Sani. Intercepted. 12 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Deflected. Intercepted by SK Ramirez. To Kapitan De Castro. Kapitan Nestor. No good. 14 shot clock. Kapitan Nestor. No good. 8 seconds remaining. 5. To Kapitan Number. Kapitan Michael fires on 3. No good. Kapitan Basket loses the handle. But save. Inside pass. Kapitan Basket. Yes. 2 points. Using the glass. Pick-up pass. Jose Algalicia. No good. May tulak sa likod. Ramirez. Deflect. Cernir. To Jose Algalicia. Uy! Side step pa! No good. Setting the play. Looking for his teammate. Kapitan ng pair. Inside. Is it up? No good. Rebound by Mayor. Mayor Javi passes to Cernir. Cernir on the drive. Inside pass. Too strong. Rebound by SK Ramirez. Inside pass ulit. Kapitan Vasquez. Yes, 2 points. Looking for his teammates. Tobias Stani. Tumira. No good. Kapitan Michael. Fast break play to SK Ramirez. Yes, 2 points. Looking for his teammates. Mayor Yobi. Sets and fires. No good. Rebound by Kapitan Michael. Kapitan Michael. Inside. Yes, 2 points. Here goes LGU. Master Eric. Sets the play. To Mayor Yobi. Not this time. Same goal. Kapitan Number setting the play. Calling for his teammate. Kapitan Number. Inside pass. Medyo malakas. Steal. Pass on Eric. Pass break play. Attorney Ron. Raise it up. Yes. Good for 2. Kapitan Number. Inside pass. Kapitan Vasquez. Yes. 2 points. In the lead by 2. Pastor Eric. Mayor Lobby inside. Not this time. Rebound. Goes to Kapitan Ronnie. To Kapitan Number. Kapitan Number. Passes. For shot. Cernir on the drive. Hesitation. Mayor Lobby using the gas. Medyo boss. SK Ramirez inside pass. Back to SK Ramirez. Fires on 3. No good. Nasa LG ulit ang bola. Foul. Pass to Attorney Ron. Tries on 3. No good. Rebound by Cap Michael. Cap Michael setting the play. Fires on 3. No good. Rebound ngayon by Cernir. Nagpapadali. Cernir. Pulang jumper. No good. Rebound by Marcial Joas. No good again. Rebound on Kapitan Romel. Kapitan Romel Vasquez. Waiting for his teammates. Kapitan Nestor. No good. Kanya ulit. Put back. No good. Rebound. But there's a foul. Para Kapitan Ronnie. 2 points on Kapitan Vasquez. Kapitan Romel setting the play. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Yan na, Kapitan Michael. Sir Neil, nagmamadali. Pasok ko si Alsani. Using the glass front. Yes! 2 points. Tabla ulit. All 44. 4 minutes remaining on our third period. Ponce Alsani. Ponce Joey. Rebound. Manila ulit. Oy! Ponce Alsani setting the play. 15 on the second. Pass to Eric. Tumira Andres. No good. Rebound by Cap Michael. Cap Michael on the drive. Kick out pass. Kapitan Alday. Hindi ka mawala. Naitira pa ka. No good. Rebound by Sarnil. Sarnil with the ball. Inside. Kick out pass. Attorney Ron. Yes. Cap Marlon setting the play. Cap Edwin Sarmiento. Hesitation move. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Ponce Alsani. Oy, napay kay Tylon. Ponce Joey. Yes! Up the ground. Kapitan Ronnie setting the play. Kapitan Marlon Pital. Block! Time to shoot. Intercepted. Ponce Alsani. Waiting for his teammates. Yes! 2 points. Cap Michael setting the play. Kapitan, no good. Nilalay, Cap Nico. To Cap Michael. 7 on the shot clock. But there's a foul. 7. Sir Anthony passes to Ponce Alsani. Fires on 3. No good. Ball goes to 0-0. Intercepted. Sir Anthony lays it up for 2 points. LGU. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. That's Kay Ramirez. Sunshot. No good. Put back. No good again. Nasukitan sa baba. Here goes Attorney Ron. Lays it up. Yes! 2 points. They are 0-0. Kick out pass. Kapitan Alday. But there's a foul. So Eric setting the play. Kick out pass. Inside play. Konsehal. Nawala bola. Intercepted by Kay Ramirez. So Kapitan Pitel nagmamalalangan. Side step na good. Put back is good by Cap Joey. 25 seconds on the game clock. Ponce Alsani. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ponce Joey. Yes, 2 points. Tuloy-tuloy mo yan. Michael setting the play. Looking for his teammates. Take the shot. Bam! 3 points on Cap Michael. Here goes to Sir Neil. Pull-up jumper na doon. Rebound by Kapitan Timet Ramos. ABC on the drive. Lays it up. No good. Rebound. Goes to Pastor Eric. Pastor Eric on the drive. Side step. Kick out pass to Sir Neil. Pass to SK Ped. Chino Lumansing. Fires. Short. Now with Cap Michael. Liliman ang kalamangan. Cap Michael. Nugget. Rebound by Marcel Darius. Pass break. Pass to Pungal Eric. Yes. Super. Oy, what a move! Reverse set is good for Chino. Wow. Sir Neil. Inside. Lays it up. Yes. 2 points. Pauwi agad. By Kapitan Imakulangan. Pastor Eric looking for his teammate. Ponce Darius Sacualo. Pass to Sir Joas. SK Ped. Oy! Medyo tagilid. Kapitan Tibet, nakita si Kapitan Tibakulangan. Nagmamadali ngayon. Kapitan Vasquez. Sir Rosales. No good. Too strong. Pastor Eric with the drive. Pick up pass to Sir Chino. Yes! 2 Cap Michael. Pass to Sir Rosales. Kapitan Vasquez. Muntik pa makagawal. Nabite, natira. Pasal Diyos. To Sir Neil. There's the foul. Kick and pass. Sir Vasquez. Raise it up again! Rio Yopa. 65-59. 6-point lead. Medyo kinapos. Sobrang top. Pascal Ramirez. To Cap Michael. Fires on 3. Nagad. Attorney Ron. To Pastor Eric. Pastor Eric. Sir Neil. Deflected, intercepted. Nagmamadali ngayon ng ABC. SK Ramirez. Nagad. Rebound by Jose Alcalicha. Pastor Eric with the ball. Setting the play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Attorney Ron fires. No good. Rebound on Mr. Rosales. Deflected, intercepted by Mr. Joey. Nakuha ulit ng ABC. SK Ramirez fires. No good. Rebound. Kanila ulit. Yes, 2 boys. Sir Neil. Tukon si Alcalicha. Set shot. No good. Kanila ulit na rebound na Attorney Ron. Waiting for his teammates. Jose Alcalicha. Lumapit. Kick out pass. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Yes! 2 points. Cap Michael. Inside. Yes! 2 points. Attorney Ron with the ball. Sir Neil Gaspar. Inside. Reverse. Yes! 2 points. Bawi agad. Ng LVU. SK Ramirez. Inside. 4 shot. Kanya pa rin. Cap Michael. Nagad. Too much muscle. Kanila ulit. Kapitan Vasquez. Reverse. Okay. With the ball. Nagmamadali. Sir Neil. Kick out pass. Number 13. Nagad. Kanila ulit ng bola. Attorney Ron. Nagad. To Jose Alcalicha. Using the glass for 2. Kapitan Marlon Pitel. Inside. Lays it up. Nagad. Kanila pa. Sending the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Cap Marlon. Side step. Kapitan Nestor. But there's a foul. Number 5 inside. Kick out pass to Attorney Ron. Lays it up for 2 points. Hindi ka pang mawala. Cap Nestor. Hand check. Pastor Eric lays it up. No good. Rebound by SK Ramirez. Deflected. Nakuha na Sir Rosales. Oy, there's a foul. To shoot. Tama. Kapitan Vasquez. To Kapitan Michael. Basket is good. 35 seconds on the game clock. Pastor Eric sending the play. Pastor Eric inside pass. Attorney Ron. 10 seconds remaining. Rosales. Yes! 2 points. Dadalwa na. Dalahaling laban. Sir Neil waiting for his teammates. Sir Pilate. March. Nugget. Rebound by Cap. Last 2 minutes. Sir Rosales. Pass to SK Ramirez. Fires over. Tinanggap ni Sir Neil Gaspar. To Pastor Eric. 10 seconds.